We are at 8704 Desert Night. This is one of the Las Vegas properties up in the Upper West Side. It has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms.
This home is an entertainer's delight with vaulted ceilings, lots of cabinets, and upgraded flooring.
Exactly. And also, I can't wait for you guys to see the pool in the backyard. So we're gonna go ahead and jump inside. We're at 8704 Desert Night. This property is 2,700 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms. What's nice about this is every bedroom has a bathroom. So one of the bedrooms has the bathroom that it shares with the other bedroom. So we call that Jack and Jill. And there's one other bedroom in the back that has its own bathroom. So we're gonna go ahead and go right inside. can sit out here, have a glass of wine, have a cup of coffee. It's actually bigger in person, that mountain. And you can also make this a putting green if you want. It's great for your puppies. Look at this backyard. It's so pretty. It is an entertainer's backyard with the pool, the jacuzzi, the fountain, and the beautiful mountains back there. This property is 2,700 square feet.
This home is located in a gated community with an HOA of $90, and we're right near Floyd Lamb Park where there's a lot of walking and a beautiful lake.
So we're gonna go ahead and recap. This property has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2,700 square feet, and a beautiful pool. So if you want to know more about Las Vegas properties or anything else, go ahead and leave your comment down below. We'll get to you. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.